y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm bringing you these cute faux cocoa cups. My inspiration was Debbi Lane. She does a lot of wonderful faux foods. You'll have to check out her channel. And these are her cups, my inspiration. So I have my little elves joining me to make them ourselves. Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm here with Mimi and my beautiful daughter-in-law, Brittany. Today we're making faux cocoa cups for our cocoa bars. Okay, and so how we're gonna do this is we're gonna we got these at the Dollar Tree, $1 each, and we're just going to be using some brown paint, and this is brown oxide by Apple Barrel, and that's a Walmart brand. And then this is coffee latte. So I got that in case I have to mix it in. I want to get the right color, and I couldn't quite find the exact color. We're going to try to make it look like cocoa. We're going to use a foam brush, and then I just have an old cream cheese container that we're going to use to mix the color in. So this is a simple project, and the whole thing is getting it the right color. Well, that kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. We might not have to do anything to it. All right, let's give it a whirl. Everybody just dip in, and you want to start at the bottom and work your way up. So see, like if you look at the...
Oh, looking good.
Yeah. This is gonna be so cute.
It's definitely gonna look like cocoa.
Mm-hmm. So there you have it. Aren't they cute? So now we're gonna let these dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'll come back and we'll finish them up and show you how to make them look like cups of hot cocoa. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is make a base to support the whipped cream. And I'm using a heavy piece of cardboard, and I'm just tracing the shape of the cup. And I'm gonna do that for all three, and then cut it out, and then hot glue it on. And then we're going to make the faux whipped cream. Okay, y'all, I got everything I needed at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be using this piping bag, and then my homemade chalk paint. I'm going to use this lightweight spackling. I got one for each cocoa cup. I've got a mixing bowl and some plasticware, and my glue gun. So I'm just going to glue the cardboard to the top of the cup. And then I'm going to mix up the lightweight spackling, which is kind of a tingy gray color. So that's why I'm going to be adding the white chalk paint into that to make it more of a whipped cream color. And it did take 1 tub per cup. And I'm just going to play with this till I get the color how I want it. And this is a homemade chalk paint that I make all the time. And I'm just going to really stir it well. And you're going to have to keep playing with this until you get it the color that you'd like. And you'll see I keep adding a little more, a little more. Remember, always a little at a time, because you can't take out, but you can keep adding. And also, you don't want to put too much paint that it makes it soupy. So I'm adding a little more spackling because I got it too wet. It's almost like when you're making real frosting for a cake. You kind of go back and forth with a little confectionery sugar and so forth and so on till you get it the right consistency. Well, this is kind of reminds me of the same thing. Okay, it's starting to look the color and consistency of what I want, so I'm just going to now put it into the piping bag, which these are $1 at the Dollar Tree, and they come with different tips. And you're just going to throw it away after you use it anyway, because it's going to harden in there, so it's no good. So it's great that you're only paying $1 for it. And the plastic tips are fine for just this one project. So I'm just filling the bag, pushing it down, much like you would do if you were frosting a cake or some cupcakes. Getting it all out. Now just pushing it down. Okay, so now I want to really overlap the edge so you don't see that cardboard. And this is very forgiving while it's wet, and it dries really pretty quick. And I'm just going to go around much like you would if you were frosting a cupcake. I'm going to create a mound in the center to build my peak on. Look at how adorable. Is that cute? Okay, so I've done all three. Now I use spray adhesive, and I did that in the garage, and then I put the sprinkles all over the top, and I let it dry, and then I sprayed a coat of sealer so the sprinkles wouldn't fall off. And there you have it. Look at how adorable. The one thing I regret is I didn't put a candy cane in it. I should have. But listen, I got more videos coming for Christmas. So if you're not a subscriber yet, I hope that you'll subscribe so you don't miss any of them.